In this review, we're going to take a look at the Kolpin Rhino ratcheting grip, which is a really neat grip. All you have to do to release an item is push the button. And these grips are really nice for the fact that you can actually remove a bottom clip, much like their mirror, and you can position this in any which way. This clip then can be repositioned very quickly. And then that way, if you're holding something of an odd angle, you can adjust this in the field. A very nice feature. Switch it back, you just take the pin back out, put it whichever way you want, and you're set to go. You'll notice that these are, has like a compression grip, so you can hold some very delicate items in here, your stocks, your barrels, you know, any type of, again, anything delicate. This is going to hold it in place without destroying it, basically. So we'll show putting the little shovel here into the system, and that's good to go. Even on the top part, again, the release. And they're good to go. So here we have the Kolpin Rhino ratcheting grip. Oh, get yours before they're sold out.